Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful plant using paper. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I hope you like this video and please comment below. The newspaper strip and start winding it on the flexible wire. This will give you a thicker stem. After doing this step, we can cover this up with a green floral tape. We need more side branches like this, so take thinner stems like this and start winding like this. Put glue in the center and start sticking these leaves onto the side stems or branches. In this craft, I'm going to use the previously made white flowers. You guys can check out the link in the description box. These are the flowers, paper flowers that I've made previously. Wind 4 to 10 flowers together like this to make a bunch. Actually, I made these branches and flowers to make a tree. Maybe in the next video I'll show you how to make a beautiful tree using these branches. I was thinking more like an orange tree. Put as many flowers together as possible. If you like more flowers, then you can add more. I have put like 4 to 5 flowers in a bunch. You can either cut off these extra stems or you can put leaves on it. Now this flower bunch we can wind together with a leafy bunch. I made these branches to make a tree actually, but making a plant with this was more fun. It was looking so good, so I put it in a pot like this. I'm thinking of making an orange tree using these branches and flowers. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and do comment below on what you thought about this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you will too. Please comment below on what you thought about this particular craft and also like it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.